One of the most scenic places, Nidubanda. So beautiful. You should be lucky to actually visit some places like these in India. Just about 35-40 kilometers from Bangalore towards Tumkur. Oh my god, look at this. I just can't wait to see the sunset. It's mind blowing. I just can't wait to capture a train passing by on these tracks. I don't think anybody could ever experience something like this so easily, because so beautiful. You can't just find it so casually everywhere, every time. Brilliant. Absolutely stunning. That's the Malleshwara temple. I'll definitely scale that someday. Very soon. There's a temple there. Wow, man. Look at the nature. Oh my god. Just don't have words. Just imagine capturing a train right now. Nothing can beat this. So beautiful. So amazing. Fantastic.